Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your networking events with LinkedIn easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the page and type in relevant networking events in your area or industry. Filter the search results by selecting the Events tab to narrow down your options. Review the list of events and choose one that aligns with your professional goals. Once you find an event of interest, click on it to view the details. Take note of the date, time, and location of the event. Look for an option to register or RSVP for the event. Complete the registration process by entering your information as required. While on the event page, check if there is a list of attendees. Click on the profiles of attendees to learn more about their backgrounds and interests. Send connection requests to individuals you would like to network with at the event. Personalize your connection requests by mentioning the event to increase acceptance rates. Join any associated event groups or discussions on LinkedIn for added engagement. Post a comment or question in these groups to introduce yourself and generate interest. As the event date approaches, send a reminder message to your new connections. Prepare a list of topics or questions you would like to discuss during the event. On the day of the event, arrive early to make the most of the networking opportunities. Be proactive in introducing yourself to attendees and initiating conversations. Exchange contact information and connect with individuals you meet on LinkedIn after the event. Follow up with a personalized message thanking them for the conversation. Plus, share any insights or resources discussed during the event to maintain the connection. Regularly engage with your new connections by liking and commenting on their posts. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your networking events through LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.